No, I think I'll have to cut a finger off. Well, hi everyone, I've got a package and it's come from Amazon. Only ordered it a day ago, yeah, it was. Early hours of yesterday morning, in fact, 2 AM. And, well, here we go. First piece of the parcel, a memory card. And it's a 32 gig memory card. I'm not into paying a lot of money for them. I usually get 32 gigs. Could have got a bigger one, but that was £9.98, I think. Here comes the penknife for the next bit. Sophie thinks she's missing out on something. I can hear her in the background. Cutting fingers off. No, I think I'll have to cut a finger off. Okay, you can open your eyes now. A little box, and it's sort of a semi-hard case with a little handle. Don't know if you can see that. And a zip, which will unzip like so. Ooh, nice. And as you can see what we've got here, this is a little camera. Been looking for a little action camera, but I didn't want to pay the big prices of the main brands. You know the one I mean. So I thought, well, let's have a little rummage around. And I saw one of our other channels. I'll name them on the bottom here because my memory is so bad. They reviewed this just the other day, and as you do, you think, oh yeah, right, at that price, possibly not. But having read on Amazon's feedback as well, I was astonished. You know, positive feedback was coming back with something that cheap. So here it is. Clearly I haven't tried it yet, so remains to be seen. But I know from what was online on the YouTube channel, and I'll name them in the description, they were impressed with it, and the photography that they showed on their channel, another link, was really good. Battery, little clip, yeah, another little clip, an adapter. Alright, guess what? Another clip. And another. And yet another. All of these, no doubt, have uses. Now this little chap, I think, fits onto your little Gorilla Pod. And there's more. There's all sorts of goodies here. That's, again, one that fits onto a standard tripod, from my understanding. Along with a little pouch, some cabling. That's a USB charging cable. I can see that through the plastic. Here it is. And little strap and a lens cleaner. A little clamp to put on your cycle handlebars. Oh wow, that's going to be fun. And a waterproof screen. Another little clip to stick onto something. I'm sure that's going to be stuck on the motorhome somewhere soon. And the all-important I will be reading it. It's the ieGeeK instruction manual, and that's what it's called. It's an ieGeeK action camera. More to follow. I'm going to be playing with this over the next couple of days, and we're out next weekend in the motorhome, so I'll come back to you. I'll use it for some of the footage, and I'll come back to you and see how it goes. Till then, enjoy the sunshine. See you later.